Hello everybody, just a quick update on my aquarium. I did not forget about you if you are following me on my YouTube channel. But today was a day to clean the tank and purchase some new gadgets today at Pet Supply. I had the algae scraper, the trusty old scraper, and then a new device called Mag Float. And what this is supposed to do is create a magnet between the outside and the inside of the device. And then you just rub it up and down your glass walls in your tank. And it is supposed to clean the algae. Now I started out cleaning with my trusty old scraper. And I removed all the accessories. Clean them, clean the filter, but I did purchase a new filter today too, so once this gets a little bit cleared up, I'm going to put the new filter in. And here's this little trusty old Mag floater. What you do is you hold it from the outside and you go up and down your tank. Now I did go around the tank a little bit and I realized you cannot place your accessories too close. It will pull them up out of the gravel. And you have to watch the little fishies. The plecos like to hide on the bottom and they're little. And they too can get dragged with this nifty device that cost me $25.99. Whoever came up with this idea sure made a killing, because I'm still going to have to use the trusty old scrubber and get in the corners and still have to remove the accessories and clean them once in a while, because this would take the glue and the sealant right off the corners of the tank, and I don't need that. So yeah, I invested in basically a gadget that's not going to prevent algae. Might help clean it, I don't know. And I also added some oxygenation out of an air star. And then you just hook up an air pump to some tubing, and it's a little stone in there. It's a star, and it's pumping some extra oxygen for the angels. The angels that survived were 4 of them. One of them's Drogon, and one of them's Gap, but the other ones perished. And the mollies and the babies did too. And I do not understand why, if the tank is bad, why didn't these 4 pass away either? I don't know. I researched a little bit about angels and I read that they secrete a territorial hormone. And the way I comprehended it is like a skunk that would spray if a predator's nearby to warn them. Or maybe it's to do the opposite, to say, hey, I'm here and you don't need to survive. I want the food. So they secrete some type of hormone. I don't know if it's true or not. That's where I read up on it, because I'm very curious as to why these 4 survived and the other fish perished. So here's my update. I'm going to replace the filter pretty soon with the brand new filter. Put some more water in here. And then I probably am going to craft on Dollar Tree Crafts and Supplies, or Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas. I'm going to craft or show some Dollar Tree crafts, and then I'm going to sit in front of the tank to the viewers while I demonstrate some of the crafts I created. So catch me either Saturday or Sunday at Dollar Tree Crafts and Ideas. Ask to join if you haven't already. And then maybe you'll see the tank all clean and lit up. Until then, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Put me in notifications. Then you will see when I upload something new. And there's Legacy's acrylic paint pour. Michigan form. I placed it behind this tank. Looks really cute when this tank is lit up. Her colors are beautiful. Have a great weekend. I send my blessings out to you and your family. Bye-bye.